Hello everyone, welcome to our video on how to make a DIY sun catcher. What will we need to make these, Callum?
You're going to need some PVA glue, some dye, a hole puncher, string, a permanent marker, scissors, cotton tips. In here we have the glue and some clear plastic, something that's easy to cut. Here we have a lid.
Wow, that's a lot of resources. So let's start off by using our marker to do any sort of cool shape on the lid here. Once we do the cool shape, we'll ask our parents or our caregiver to cut out the shape with the scissors because we need special advice on that. Okay, so we'll start off. We've done some diamonds today. We prepared one earlier. This is what it looks like. It's very cool when you hang it next to your window, the sun comes through it and there's a lot of different shapes that come out, lots of different colours. It's really cool. So we've chosen diamonds. We're going to start off by using our hole puncher.
Okay.
There we go, and then we just find the correct spot, making sure that there is a hole there. There we go, boom. Okay, and then we're going to get our glue. Spread it out like a piece of toast. Yum. Might need a little bit more there. Yeah, get it into all the nooks and crannies. There you go, Hannah.
Thank you.
Might need a bit more though. Okay, and then when adding your food dye, it's key to just add a little bit because once you add a bit too much, it probably won't dry as well. So I've got brilliant green here. And I've got brilliant red. These colours are brilliant. And a little drop. Okay. What colours are you going to use, Hannah?
I'm using blue.
Is that because you've got a blue shirt on? You like
yes.
blue? That's
I'm
pretty
matching
cool.
today. And I'm also going to use some purple.
I've got Christmas colours, red and green, because I like Christmas. And then we'll be using your cotton tip to make swirlies and cool patterns out of the food colouring and making sure it's mixed in with the PVA glue. Just close up here now. Making some cool sort of swirly like that. And you can do this with as many colours as you want. You can add glitter, you can add little pendants, little flowers on it because the glue there will help seal that. You can mix it in the middle like that. There's my one. How's yours look, Hannah? Good. Awesome. Cool. Okay, so we'll leave this to dry in the sun for about an hour or so, and then we'll hang our piece of string to it that we've got here. We might have to ask parents to tie the knots here. I might have to ask Hannah to hold this for me for a sec. Is it okay while I tie that?
Yeah.
Not only would this be a cool little sun catcher, seeing as this is Christmas colours, you could use this as an ornament. Be a great idea. Okay, there we go, and that's ready to hang up. And yeah, hope you enjoy your DIY sun catchers. Thanks everyone.
Thank you.